I'm so happy to show you this home on McKee Rd. I love this family house. It's right next to Prince Charles Elementary. You're within walking distance to Fraser and Yale Secondary. You're on a bus route to get you right into town, and you also have great freeway access. This house sits on over half an acre. It's fully landscaped with mature landscaping. You've got rhododendron bushes everywhere, and in the spring and early summer they are spectacular. Total privacy, you won't even know that you've got neighbours in this place. We've got 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and a fantastic separate entry suite. What a great place to hang out, eh? I love the retro vibe down here. Drinks, anyone? This home has been so well loved and cared for. It's perfect for the family, for the kids, the pets, even for the in-laws down in the beautiful suite. This is your new place to call home. Abbotsford is also a great place to stay if you're from out of town, because you've got golf courses, you're close to the mountains for hiking, you're close to the lakes for swimming, you've got the Abbotsford Air Show every year, and of course you're an easy commute into Vancouver and all the cultural activities there. This suite rents out on Airbnb. It's completely soundproofed, so the upstairs people never hear down here and the downstairs people never hear from up there. It's a great suite and a great little mortgage helper. Come on in. We've got RV parking and the best toboggan hill your kids will ever go down.